Hey guys, so this is going to be a pretty random video, but I thought that you DIYers would appreciate it. I got these two long pieces of cardboard, or I don't even know what you would call this, but it's like a very stiff material. It was, I guess, packing or packaging material that came with this big black bookshelf or cabinet. Basically, I just picked these up today and thought to myself, what if I try to make a picture frame out of this? So what I'm doing is just cutting this, along the width, and then that's the length or whatever you want to say. And I'm just creating this little frame. So basically I'm about to cut this one and put it on the edge on that side, and then I'm gonna cut another one and put it at the top. So yeah, I don't necessarily like this color, but you can always pop it off and like spray paint it. So I just felt like, I should share this with you guys because it looks like I'm gonna really like it once it's done. So this is it on the wall. Like I said, you can always spray paint this. It slides right off. It's not really secured to the canvas, but it's just like, for visual purposes, you can just have a frame on the front. Now it is a little bit of excess canvas showing on the side, but I don't really mind this just because, the frame is like free. You could always like fix this little piece right here with something, but I'm just making a quick little video. This literally just popped into my head about 5 minutes ago, so yeah. These are the pieces that I'm using. I used two on that frame. These are really long, and it came with this tall cabinet. So this was 71 inches, so I'm assuming that's 71 inches too. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish the next one. I wasn't about to like pay to get frames put on those, or like pay for individual frames, because they probably would have been like $50 or more. I don't know. I haven't even really tried to look for frames, to be honest, because I'm just assuming they're going to be ridiculously expensive. Hey guys, so this is how my pictures are currently looking. I made these myself. I made some little texture on them. If you can see that, it's like actual texture. And then I just painted them several times. But yeah, this is how they look. But I'm headed outside to spray paint those DIY frames I just made, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished product.